demonstrate the gram stain protocol. He's going to begin the protocol by taking a heat-fixed slide containing microbial cells that are now attached to the glass material. The slide was cool, so she was able to pick it up with her gloved hand. The first thing that she will do is apply crystal violet stain to the sample. She will submerge the sample in crystal violet and let it sit for 1 minute. For the 1 minute with crystal violet, Chantal will gently rinse the crystal violet off the slide, tilting gently and continuing to rinse with deionized water until the water runs more or less clear off the bottom of the slide. She'll dab a little bit of water off on the paper toweling, and then she'll proceed to the next step where she applies a solution called grams iodine or gram iodine. She will submerge the sample in gram iodine and she will let that sit for 1 minute. After sitting for 1 minute in grams iodine, Chantal will rinse the grams iodine off, again using deionized water. She will then apply a solution called Dcolorizer. This will have a chemical smell to it. It contains a little bit of acetone. She will gently submerge the slide and then tilt the slide to rinse that material through the sample. And she'll do that until that solution runs more or less clear off the slide as well. She'll then use deionized water to rinse the Dcolorizer solution off gently, tilting to allow it to flow off the end of the slide. She will blot the excess water off on the paper towel, and she will apply the final stain, which is called safranin. It's a red stain. She'll submerge the sample in the safranin, and she will let it sit for 30 to 60 seconds. The safranin has sat on the sample for 30 to 60 seconds. Chantal will go ahead and rinse the safranin off with deionized water until the water comes off more or less clear. And then she's ready to do a final blot to remove excess water. She'll set the sample or the slide down on her paper towel, and she'll use a little bit of Kimwipe to just gently, very gently wick excess water off the slide. Once she's done that, she's ready to then view this slide using the microscope, and that's the gram stain.